Today we have a super fun and cute daisy granny square. I have 3 different colors in a weight 4 yarn. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook. Of course, we'll always need scissors, and a yarn needle is optional. These are the stitches we're using today. The free pattern is available in the description down below. If you'd like to support the channel, you can get the paid version. So we're going to start out with the center of the daisy. Typically, it's going to be yellow, but you can use any colors you would like and change the type of flower you're making. I'm going to start off with a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around my finger twice. Take the yarn that's in the back and pull it in front. The yarn that's now in the back, I'm going to pull it up and over my finger. Insert my hook into that loop and pull on the working yarn to tighten it. From here, I'm going to chain up 4. So chain is yarn over, pull up a loop. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. From here, we're going to slip stitch into the first chain that we made. Slip stitches into your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, pull through, and now we've made a circle. If you pull the stitches apart, you can see it right here. Moving on, we're going to chain up 3, 1, 2, 3, and this counts as a double crochet. Into the circle, we're going to do 11 more double crochet. So double crochet is yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, this chain 3 counted as a double crochet. So right now we have 2 of them. We need to have 10 more, all into the same circle. Make sure to be working in this tail end of yarn as you go so you don't have to worry about it later. Okay, and this double crochet makes 12 for me. From here, I'm going to slip stitch to join at the top of the chain 3, which is also our first double crochet. I'm going to chain up 1, cut my work, pull up the yarn, and you want to weave in your ends as you go and pull on this tail end to close the hole in the center. I'm going to go ahead and grab my white. I'm going to insert my hook under any one of the stitches and throw the white yarn over my hook. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop. Then I'm going to hold both pieces of yarn at the same time, yarn over and make a chain. Then I'm going to drop the short one. That basically just secures your tail end immediately so you don't have to worry about it coming out. From here, that just counted as a chain 1. So we're going to chain up 2 more, giving us a chain 3, and this counts as a double crochet. Into the same stitch, we're going to double crochet 2 together. So that means we're going to start a double crochet and stop when you have 2 loops on your hook. So don't complete the double crochet, and we're going to do that one more time. So start the double crochet, but don't complete it. Okay, so you should have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. And that completes your first petal. From here, we're going to chain up 1. And into the next stitch, we're going to do something very similar. So we're going to double crochet 3 together because we don't have the chain now. So we need to do an extra one to make up for the chain. So we're going to yarn over, insert a hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 and stop. And we're going to repeat that 2 more times into the same stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And one last time, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. This time, you'll actually have 4 loops on your hook. So yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, and chain 1. And we're going to repeat that, the 3 double crochet together in all of the double crochets, leaving us with 12 petals in total. Okay, so here we are. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It means we need to do one more, and I wanted to do it with you. So we have one stitch left. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and repeat that 2 more times into the same stitch. And then yarn over and pull through all 4 loops and chain 1. From here, to join the round, we're going to make a slip stitch at the top of the chain 3, which was also our first double crochet. So slip stitch, you insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull it through, and that completes round 2. So you're going to chain 1 again, cut your work, and fasten off, and make sure you weave in this tail end. Finally, you want to go and grab your base color, so the main color of the square, and now you're going to insert your hook into any of the chain spaces. So if you pull them apart, you'll see a really big gap. Wherever that is, that's a chain space. So again, insert your hook into any one of those, throw your base color over your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then grab the 2 pieces of yarn and yarn over and make a chain, and then you're free to drop the shorter tail. From here, we need to make a chain 4, so that chain did count, so chain up 3 more, 1, 2, 3, and this counts as a treble crochet. Into the same chain space, we're going to make 2 more treble crochet. So treble crochet is yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we're going to repeat that again in the same exact chain space. After you completed your 3rd treble crochet, you're going to chain 1. And we're only working in chain spaces now. So into the next chain space, we're going to do 3 double crochets. And these are the normal double crochets. We're not double crocheting them together. So as you can see, I'm completing them. I'm going in, yarn over 2. So as you can see, I'm actually completing them, and I'm not crocheting them together. So I'll pull through 2, only 2 loops on my hook, pull through 2. So 3 regular double crochets followed by a chain. Into the next chain stitch, go ahead and insert 3 more double crochets. And then you guessed it, we're going to chain 1 again and go into the next chain space. This time we're going to go back to the treble crochets. So you're going to do 3 treble crochet, and then a chain 1, and we're going to go right back into that same space again with 3 more treble crochet. After that, you're going to chain up 1, and into the next chain space, we're going to go back to our double crochets. So we're going to do 3 double crochet and chain 1, and into the next chain space again, we are going to do 3 double crochets followed by a chain 1, and there it is. Now I can show you the pattern. Basically what we have here is we have 2 sets of 3 double crochet and a chain 1. After you do that into the next chain space, you make this corner over here with the treble crochet. So you do 3 treble crochet, chain 1, 3 treble crochet, and then you do the 2 sets of double crochet again. So that's the sequence. I'm sure you'll get a hang of it. So let's just keep on going because this is the last round. So we're almost done. So I'm going back into this chain space with 3 treble crochet. This is my third one right now. And then I'm going to chain 1 and back into that same space with 3 treble crochet. This is my third one and chain 1. And my next 2 chain spaces will be for double crochets, 3 double crochets and a chain 1, and again 3 double crochets and a chain 1. Here we are with 1 chain space left. We're going into it with 3 double crochet because that is our sequence, because we just had our 3 double crochet chain 1 here. So I just finished my 3 double crochet and I'm going to chain 1. And we actually have to finish out this corner because there's only 3 treble crochet here. So we're going to go into this same chain space where we started and insert 3 treble crochet. So this is my second one and this is my third one, again all into that same exact space. And from here, to finish the round, we're going to chain 1 and slip stitch into the top of that chain 4, which was also our first treble crochet. From here, you can chain up 1, cut your work, fasten off, and weave in your ends. If you're making multiple granny squares, you might want to not cut it and line it up and reinsert your hook and start attaching them from here. I actually have a tutorial, I'll link it down below, showing you how to attach granny squares. But thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.